Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a mini album I made today. This mini album is 7 by 7, and it is, the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So this I had a wooden cutout in my stash, and I just put that on the cover, and then I had this die cut house in there, and then I added a little spider just for some fun. Inside there is a diagonal pocket, and there is a photo mat in the pocket. And so these albums being 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, you can snugly, it'll be very snug, put a 4 by 6 photo. But I don't know about you, but when I take photos, sometimes there's a lot of room at the top left over. Now this one is already trimmed down. This is about 5.5 by 3.5. But, you can put the photo on the paper a little better if it's trimmed down. So again, I could even trim this down more because when they took the picture, they got a lot of sky in the background, and you could trim that off too. But I just wanted to show you how you can use that. If you don't want to trim down a 4 by 6, it'll still fit in there perfectly. And so there, and you can even put photos like that if they're smaller. And I guess their ghost is laying down in that case, so it'll fit landscape or portrait on this photo mat. Also, if you use an Instax and you have a 4 by 4 photo, then that'll fit perfectly. So that's a nice family portrait to put right in the center of there. And that will go just like that. So I made these without too much embellishment, and then usually I fit the photo mat inside there, and it's going to be maybe, since the page is 6 1/4, 6 1/4, it might be 6 by 6, but I just kept it small, and there you go. You can see how that 4 by 6 photo will fit, and if it's landscape or portrait, it doesn't matter. It still can go in there. So here's the next set of pages. And again, the photos will fit right on there. That's 4 by 4. And there is a 4 by 6 photo. So you could have a nice grouping of your family like that if you wanted to. I'm really surprised they showed up. I didn't think apparitions showed up on film. I made these swing tabs out of a Tim Holtz die that I had, and I put some of this orange paper on top and used these Halloween brads that were in my collection. That one's a bat. So there we go. I love this pumpkin paper. Look at how cute that would look on there. And I didn't decorate these pages very much because when you put photos in, sometimes the pictures or the stickers or whatever you put get in the way. And I just kept it fairly simple here. And of course, each page has the little photo mat. Now that looks cute with all their ghosty friends. And there's the hidden photo mat. And there's the last page. And again, a photo mat in the corner. And you could even, if you had lots more photos, you could stack photos. You don't get the whole body there, but you're not missing anything important. And that's what I have for you today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you see when my next project comes out, and hopefully it will inspire you to make something like this. Have a great day.